I went for the mansion.
Okay,
It's the only house that has like 2 floors. And I was already doing a little role play with my friend in my other video, but I didn't post it. This is a hated child. It's downstairs. She has a dog, and they get the. Can you put on music?
Okay. Where's the cat?
Hey, you got the same dog as me. So this is how it's gonna. And so this room, obviously, this room where the sun is, that's gonna be where the favorite child is. And this room right here is gonna be like the living room, kitchen.
Oh, maybe
Type of thing. And this room is gonna be the mom's room. And this is going to be the bathroom. Can you make my noodles?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Chicken.
I found it.
Okay, now. Oh my god, thank you for saving me. No problem. Okay, let's go now. Let's go cheat that dog away. Cat opens.
I never gave this to one again. Her bed is too big. She don't need two people to stay in there. Like those. But I get it. Bro, I get it.
Don't mind the background.
Oh yeah, sorry, I've seen that. Something that is nothing but a hot no, root down, bump dog. Yeah, you're nothing but a dog.
Get it.
What the heck, boy? So the mom has to have a safe and clean room without her daughter knowing. But ow!
God damn, it's hot in here. It is fucking hot in here. I thought it was just me again.
Well, no, it's hot as shit.
Nah. Okay.
Pillows. I see these pillows. These pillows go in your mouth, then?
Yeah.
Me and Dana did not feel good last night. I didn't feel good.
And she wasn't feeling good either. She said she lost it. Lost it.
Okay, I'll get
TV on the wall. Toast
You
cute.
can just leave it on the clean.
Phone being at solo. Don't care though.
Here. This is Nomi.
That's not mine. Kelly's.
Okay.
Drop dead gorgeous.
On the floor.
Drop dead gorgeous. Nope. I might add this into the little girl's room. Chill. I'll come back when I'm done.
I want to wear this today.
No granny suit for you. Allie, look it. I can make a
Okay, there we go. I'll play him. We'll put this. Should we get it older? That sounds great. I'll go find one.
I deleted my thing.
Is my mom in the bathroom?
There we go. I put it in.
Okay, I'm doing it. Shush.
So here's how to make a cake. So you want the flour.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah, I know.
Where should we stay? I know. Meow, meow. Yes. So
Where my sushi at, bro?
it's really nothing. Oh, I don't really know if we need to stay. Why don't we just... So another one's still back for us. Don't you have the skeleton, dude? Because look at on the paper of them.
I should.
In this little place. My Toka World's being updated.
Babe, I think your phone's ringing.
How much notifications do you get?
I think we need to pour water in this. Okay, let's put it in here.
I'm gonna make yours right now, Nomi.
Where's...
Oh, without you, it's so. Cooper. What's that place?
It's Crumpet Junkyard.
Oh.
I'm gonna put my laundry in your car. Can you take it over?
I guess.
Take it away.
Well, I guess we're gonna have.
Oh my god, Elena's freaking me out.
Why?
She said there's a hurricane that might come, I think. I think she said.
Oh.
She doesn't understand what a hurricane is. Okay, so her friend went to Florida outside. Hurricane, she goes, how? How's there hurricanes when there's no water? I said, Elena, Florida is surrounded by water. She's a little dirtier sometimes. Stupid.
Ellie, what blankets do you want washed? You want any of your blankets washed? Do they smell good?
There's no water around us to have a hurricane. I mean, maybe fresh though.
No, I don't want any. It's good water.
Dad, guess what? One time when we were at school, there was like a little earthquake and our teacher made us go underneath our feet. Because we felt the ground shake.
You want yours washed too?
Huh?
I'm resetting my thing. I'm scared. Will you reset yours with me in a little?
Yes. I'll reset it right now, actually.